Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share today's video with you guys, and I have had the hardest time keeping my daughter from stealing from this pile and wearing what I'm going to share with you guys today. She actually did wear one of the outfits, and I'm like, please put that back. I'm going to go film this video, and I'm not going to have this to show them. So she very nicely brought it back so I could show you. But I have a spring and summer haul for my 9-year-old daughter. Things that I picked up for her because thankfully her clothes from last year did not fit her. And most people probably say, oh man, I wish their clothes still fit them from last year. No, not me. Some of the stuff she had from last year was actually stuff that was my oldest daughter's and then I had saved for my youngest daughter. So it was really high quality, still really in good shape. So she wore a lot of that stuff. But you know, by the time you've got 2 kids that have worn something, you're kind of sick of looking at it. So that was the case with some of her stuff. And then plus, I'll be honest, I just get really excited about buying my girls new clothes. I really do. I actually get more excited about buying them clothes than I do myself. So I was really excited to find all of these things. And also because, I'm rambling today, I'm sorry. Also because it is so hard to find clothes for children these days. Especially girls, I guess, I think. I don't have boys, so I don't know. But I used to share more clothing hauls, but it is so hard lately to find things because, and I talked about this in last year's spring haul, everything says something stupid, especially when you've got a 9-year-old, you know, you've got that age range where, you know, they still should be young and innocent and childlike, and everything says like, text me, bae, or it's off the shoulder, or it's no, like, big rips and crop tops. I'm not kidding. Justice, like the clothing store, everything's like crop tops and has big, nasty, tacky graphics on it that say like text me, or you know, I don't know. I talked about this before. I can't stand that, and it's getting harder and harder to find clothes that are really cute that don't look like something that would be on a billboard. I mean, I don't know, it's just so tacky. So I was really excited to find all this stuff. I got everything from Children's Place, only 2 things from there though, because a lot of their shirts are that way. Everything's too graphic-y and like cats puking rainbow, like literally a cat throwing up a rainbow. I just think that's so ugly. But anyway, so a couple pairs of shorts from Old Navy and Children's Place. Everything else came from Carter's / Osh Kosh. Thank goodness for them, because their website was about the only place I could find clothes that were actually cute and not obnoxious. So that is where everything came from. I'll try to remember to tell you though where each piece came from as I show you. But anyway, Carter's, thankfully, has increased their sizes. Like, if I remember right, and I could be wrong, it used to seem like it stopped at size 8, which last spring she was a 7/8, so some of the stuff didn't fit her for very long. She's kind of between an 8 and a 10, which the next size up from Carter's now is a 10-12. So it's a little bit big for her, but it's better to be a little bit too big than too small. So I did get 10-12s in all of the shirts. This one is from Carter's, and it is just this really cute little pink flamingo shirt. And if you can see, the little flamingo bodies are like these little puff balls of all different colors. So they have like aqua and purple and yellow and kind of this peachy pink color. So this will be cute with denim shorts, or if she has any shorts that are colored to pull out, which we actually do have a pair of aqua shorts that she could wear this with. Super cute, and just, you know, cute little girl shirt, not tacky and trashy and crop top off the shoulder business. I like the back too, how it's got this little detail with the little scoop and the little bow. I thought that was adorable, so that came from Carter's. I guess I should show you all the shirts first, should I? And then show you the pants at the end. Okay. So this is from Osh Kosh, but if you shop on the Carter's website, they also share, they're like sister companies, or like the same company with Osh Kosh, Carter's, and Skip Hop. So this is actually an Osh Kosh B'gosh shirt, but I was able to order it all at one time from the Carter's website. So again, it's a 10-12, just a pink shirt with all of these really cute little hearts in all of these different colors, green and blue, red, pink, teal, yellow, just all kinds of pretty little colors. She loved this, and so I picked that up for her. Did I say that was a 10-12? It is. All the shirts are 10-12s. This one she picked out on her own. It's not my favorite, but she likes it, and there's nothing really wrong with it. It's Carter's 10-12. It is a, what do they call these things? Like a tunic shirt in this really pretty like violet color with a little unicorn with the flowers in her hair. So she really liked that, and that's something that I would let her wear definitely in the spring with a pair of leggings or something, and then it'll be okay for summer too. This is Osh Kosh. It was like the same deal with the heart shirt. It was like buy one, get two free. It was something crazy. And then I had a coupon code on top of that. So I was able to get a really good deal on all this stuff. So just this really cute little striped kind of plain t-shirt, super cute and comfy, would match so many different things. So we got that one. So yeah, it was buy one, get two free. And so I got this one for free and this one for free. Just a white t-shirt with these multicolored ice cream cones. Some of them have little cherries on them. Really cute and simple and basic. So I got that one for free as well. It is snowing so hard outside right now, and here I am talking about spring clothes. I hate winter. When will it be over? That's what I want to know. Okay, I think one more shirt. And I'll probably will get her some more stuff as time goes on. This is just kind of to get her started since none of her clothes from last year fit her. And I've got a Disney trip on my mind, and I'm thinking if we go to Disney in May, she's going to need quite a few pairs of shorts. So Disney is always my ulterior motive. I think I've got enough shorts for her to wear. I think she's okay out of shorts. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But anyway, this one is Osh Kosh. Love this shirt. It looks so cute on her, and it is the softest buttery material you've ever seen. So it's got this little pocket there and kind of a tapered bottom, but what I love the most about it is the sleeves. Now, this kind of stuff doesn't bother me. I don't mind that her little shoulder shows. So her little shoulder kind of comes out here, and it's got this little bow right there. It is so cute. I don't mind that. What I can't stand is like the super duper like off the shoulder, either one shoulder or both, like a, what do they call those? I don't even know what they're called, but you know, like where both shoulders are hanging out, or like big rips and crop tops and that kind of stuff. That is what I have a problem with. I don't mind this kind of a thing. So that's really cute and really, really soft. So I love that. Okay, I think that's all the shirts. Now she's got quite a few pairs of shorts, 2 leggings. These are the ones that I had to like wrestle away from her so I could show them to you guys. They are from Osh Kosh. They are the cutest little blue leggings with these donut rainbows on them. How cute is that? It looks super cute with this little pink shirt, which is what she was actually wearing it with. Obviously, you could wear it with a white shirt, or if you had any of these little colors of the rainbow, it would be really cute with that. I'm not big on leggings because I know that no matter how many times you tell your kids to get off their knees, they're going to be on their knees and they're going to wear holes in their pants. But they were really cute. I don't expect them to make it longer than a season, which is fine. And she really loves them, so I think they're really perfect for spring. Also, anything cherries, even though I don't like to eat cherries, I love cherry things. And so they have these really cute cherry leggings. Again, Osh Kosh. Just, I couldn't resist. And it would look so cute with a pink shirt or white shirt, or if I had, I don't have one yet, but like a teal shirt like that, like the color of the leaf. I love those, so I got those for her. And because I love them so much, they actually sell them the same pattern in a pair of shorts. So I got her the shorts in a 10-12. Again, they're a little tiny bit big, but it actually does have a working drawstring, so she can cinch them in a little bit. But they are a really comfortable material. They're not a heavy denim. They're not really denim at all. There's some kind of a woven material, but they're really soft and really cute. And I like the kind of angle here on the side. It kind of goes up a little bit. Really cute. So I got those in the cherry print, and also you got to have flamingos. So these periwinkle shorts with the little pink flamingos, same exact pair of shorts, just different patterns. I got those for her. And then you've got to have basics. You know, I'm a denim everyday girl. I wear jeans every single day because even in the summer, I don't wear shorts. I don't know. I just don't. So unless I'm at Disney, then I wear shorts. But if I'm here at home, even if it's summer and 900 degrees, I'm still wearing jeans. I like them because they match everything. So I always make sure that the girls have quite a few pairs of jeans and quite a few pairs of denim shorts for the summer because they match everything. Old Navy is really a great place to get kids shorts. I get this set of shorts every year for, used to be my oldest daughter, and now my youngest daughter, I get them for her. Drawstring shorts, I get the 10-12. Last year she had the 8. They were getting a little too short and a little bit too snug. So 10-12 again is about right. It's a little bit big, but she can always use the drawstring. I really like these because they are a denim look, but they're a little bit dressier than that since they're more of like this lighter weight material. It has a cuff, cute little pocket, and I usually get her a couple pairs. So I got 2 pairs of those from Old Navy. And then I got 2 pairs of these kind of denim shorts from Children's Place. Again, I get this same pair every year in whatever size she needs. Again, they're not really a really heavy denim. They're a lot lighter weight, and they are just plain little elastic. These are elastic. The drawstring is just for decoration. It doesn't really work. But these are elastic. She loves these because she doesn't have to worry about buttons or snaps or anything. It's just more comfortable for her. They have a little pocket on the back, and they're really, really cheap. I got a size 10 in those, which a little bit too big, but a little bit big, but it'll still fit her okay. So I got 2 pairs of those. And then also I got her 2 pair of these little kind of, what is this? Like, it's cotton, but I can't think of what it's called. It's 100% cotton. These little shorts are super cute with a little ruffly pocket. These came from Carter's. Little ruffly pocket here, super adorable with a drawstring. And she really liked these and said they were really comfortable. So I got her the pink pair and this aqua pair. So that is everything that I have picked up for her so far for spring and summer. I don't really know if she'll need any more shorts. I think she's pretty good with that. I don't know. We'll see how this kind of works out. She's going to need new tennis shoes before we go to Disney, so that's always a given. A new raincoat. Other than that, this will get her through definitely spring and most of summer, if not all of spring and summer. So make sure if you guys are looking for little girls clothing that you don't forget about Carter's and Osh Kosh. Even if you don't have a store in your town, the website is a great place to shop. They have free shipping a lot. And the sales that they have are really incredible. You really can't beat it because they usually have like a buy one, get one. Or in my case, it was buy one, get 2 free. And then I got 30% off on top of that. So it was a really great thing. And there are so many cute little outfits for little girls and boys that I feel like are age appropriate and not kind of just this trendy stuff that's going around, which I totally am not into. And so if you guys are kind of in the same boat as me and you want your little kids to look like little kids, check out Carter's, check out Osh Kosh, sometimes Children's Place, but I don't know. A lot of their graphic shirts for girls are just stupid and tacky. But they do have some nice basics, so definitely check out those places. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and follow me over on Instagram. It is Aplacetonest Becky on Instagram. I'm over there quite a bit posting. I try to post every day. I don't always do it because I get busy and I forget. But I try to post over there as much as possible. I talk to a lot of you guys over there. It's a lot easier to kind of talk back and forth on Instagram than it is on YouTube sometimes. So definitely follow me over there and stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a teenage girl spring and summer clothing haul. I haven't done one of those in a couple years actually. So that'll be coming up, I think, later this week. I'm not exactly sure, but stay tuned. Turn the notification bell on. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload any videos, and that one in particular, if you're interested in that one. Turning that notification bell on will notify you every single week whenever I upload new videos. It'll let you know. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.